Hi everyone, this is tutorial 4, how to create a simple online survey form using Google Form. I'm DrMazwin binti Kamarudin from FSPU UiTM Selangor. So how to create simple online survey form? This is beneficial for students who want to create an online survey form. So the first thing is go to Google window and make sure that your Google account is ready. The icon is there and the Google Apps button is also ready to be clicked. And when you click on that, you can see that your drive is also uploaded, so that is important. Next, go to a Google form and click on that and click on the Google Forms link. So this window will appear and choose personal, go to Google Form. Click on that and you will see there are a few templates ready for you to prepare a form, but for today we're going to use the blank form. Now click on that. So this form is ready for us to start. So I will put a title and the survey I'm going to do is called jogging. When I click on the title space here, the Google has already automatically pasted the title. So let's start with the first question. I'll just click on this area and I'll type my first question. Do you jog? So when you see Google has suggested some answers here, yes, no and maybe, and we decide to choose that. So I'll click on add all. Okay, so if you notice there is a button right here, and when you click on that, that actually gives you an alternative on how the response will look like. Either it's multiple choice or check boxes or other. So for the time being, I will use the multiple choice. So I will decide this option to answer maybe is not suitable. So I'll just click on the remove button. Okay. So for me to start with the second question, just go to this button up here and add a question. And I'll type in the second question. So I'm going to ask them, how often do you jog? And I will take a look at the choices. And I will choose, for this time, is check boxes. So now my respondents can have the answers as a checkbox. Enter, enter, enter. Okay, so we'll go to the third question, and this question maybe deals with their feelings. So I want to see some kind of scale. So I will click on the linear scale. And this question, maybe you ask them about if they enjoy jogging. And if you notice, there's label 1 here. I will write it as strongly unenjoyable. And on the other spectrum, I will type in strongly enjoyable. So when I click on the next question, Google has already placed the option to answer in kind of scale for question number 3. And I will ask another question, maybe a more qualitative kind of question. So I will separate that into a section, and I'll click on the add section here, this button down here. Okay. And here I can type in comments. And when I click for the next question, I'll just write again comments. As you can see, under comments, you can have respondents answering in short answer. So I'll choose the short answer. And I think I'm happy with that. So you can clean a little bit for this one. I'll choose a multiple choice. Okay, so I'm done with my questions, and now I want to send this survey to my respondents. So before I send it, I will click on the setting button up here. Okay, and I want to make sure that when they answer it, they will just answer it once. So I'll click on limit to 1 response, and this will be based on their email address. So you can explore further in this part, but I'm just going to click on the collect email addresses. You can explore on this aspect. So I will save it. Okay, if you notice up here, okay, it says that all changes are saved in the drive. So let's take a look if it has been saved in the drive. So I'll go to my Google account icon, click on it, and I'll click on my Google Apps button. So I'll click on my drive, and my file that I created is already in my drive. So it is automatically saved in my drive. Okay, so now I want to send this form to my respondents. So go to the send button. Okay, if you're not happy with your questionnaire, you can always edit it. You can always just delete it or add any more questions that you want. Okay, I'm happy with it, and I'm going to send it. So I'll click on send. And the email address, you need to know the respondents' addresses. So I'll just click on that. Just send to 2%, I guess. And I will send this file. So it has been sent. Okay. That's all for today. My next tutorial will be on how we can see the results from the survey that we have sent through email, and that's all for today. Goodbye.